The LZHOME Hexagon LED garage light delivers exceptionally bright, natural white illumination that makes car detailing, workshop tasks, and gym spaces much easier on the eyes. Its enlarged hexagon layout spreads light over a wide area, creating an even, soft glow that reduces harsh shadows while still looking modern and stylish on the ceiling. The system uses a redesigned 3-pin connector that is recessed for added protection, along with durable polycarbonate construction that feels sturdy yet remains light enough for straightforward mounting. Installation is approachable for do-it-yourself users thanks to the modular tubes, clear connectors, and the inclusion of both plug-in and hardwire power options in the box. The kit comes generously supplied with extra tubes, connectors, and hardware, so you can complete the layout without scrambling for spare parts and can even expand the pattern if you purchase additional sets. With a rated life that stretches into tens of thousands of hours, this lighting setup is built to run for years in a busy garage or shop with minimal maintenance or downtime.